Ed Marsh here with a dirty secret about industrial marketing and sales. Some people are so offended when I share this that they refuse to listen to anything else. Others don't take it personally, but find it so contradicts everything they've learned over their career that they can't take it seriously. But if you'll give me a chance and then chew on it for a few days, I think perhaps you'll find a gem here that will change the way you go to market. So here's the secret. Nobody gives a darn about your product except you. Let me say that again. You and the folks in your company are the only ones that think your product is important. To be clear, I'm only talking about the product. You and your people are important. Your company is important, but the product isn't. Why do I say that? Because I can guarantee that nobody gets out of bed in the morning eager to source your product. They've got many other things they'd rather spend money on. They've got too many meetings already. They don't want more meetings with you and your salespeople and your engineers, and there's a chance that your product could fail and cost them their job. They'd rather not have to think about your product. So, with that out of the way, what can you do with this information? Focus on what's important to them, and that's their outcome. Not what your products do or how they do it, but the way their business and personal situation is improved as a result, because that's what they care about. Their desired future state is what's important, and your products are only relevant to the extent they help them achieve that. Now, there certainly are marketing sales challenges that result from that. First, many buyers have been trained that they're supposed to focus on your product, so they'll try to drag you into that, and it's going to be hard to resist because that's where you're comfortable. And of course, an engineer has to make sure that your machine fits their layout, it meets their requirements, they have to plan for the mechanicals, etc. But that's not sales or marketing. Second, your team is so used to talking about your stuff that it's a major cultural change to shift that and talk about your buyers, businesses, and related topics, even some that aren't directly related to your products and what you do. Third, often your prospects will improperly define the future state for which they should aspire. That's why consultative sales is so important, so that your team can help them. Again, it's about their outcomes. So please stop yammering on about your products. The painful truth is that nobody cares except you. Focus on what's important to your prospects.